Hello, good morning, welcome back to the channel. Folks, look what we got our hands on. A brand new Samsung Galaxy S20 Ultra. This one is the 128 gigabyte.
I am the one, the way your son don't need.
Alright, let's see what's inside. Here we have our Ultra in cosmic gray. There goes the wall charger. So we have here is USB cable. It is a C. Headset. So this is a phone I've been using before I bought the Ultra, which is a ZTE Max XL. The reason why I got it is because when I'm at work loading or unloading my truck, I like to watch Netflix or YouTube, and I've been using an S4 or an S5 before I got this phone, and it's a small screen, so I like to watch my movies or YouTube videos on a bigger screen, which is this phone right here. I'm using it right now as a monitor to make this video. And here it is, next to the Ultra.
Many minutes later.
Alright folks, I'm back. I just got done setting up the phone, messing with it a little bit. Let's check it out. Let's enter that PIN number. You got your camera button right here, or you can just go on the side and double tap, and that brings the camera. And there you have it, folks. That's the unboxing of my S20 Ultra. I'm gonna go mess around with the phone a little bit more and get more comfortable with it. So thank you guys for watching, and don't forget to hit the like and subscribe if you haven't already. Thank you.
Do it!